am so upset. I'm stuck in a lie.
Well, it's better than the time you got stuck in that backpack.
Backpack. Backpack.
Got stuck in that backpack. Low, bitchy, I respect that. We'll go to the strip club, but if it's nude, I'm...
Nude. Nude.
But if it's nude, I'm... Who have their junk in their hand like a sad present? I am sure I can manage to not offend her.
Offend. Offend.
I am sure I can manage to not offend her. Could you turn the other lights on? She's allergic to the truth.
Allergic. Allergic.
She's allergic to the truth. Can we turn the music off? Because I'm getting disoriented and, in all honesty, a little turned on. And
Honesty. Honesty.
in all honesty, a little turned on. And
Caroline, I didn't know you spoke Korean.
I took it as an elective after I mastered Japanese. I had a hunch Asia was going to take over the world, and
Hunch. Hunch.
I had a hunch Asia was going to take over the world, and... What does that face mean in Korean? It means zip up your top.
Zip. Zip.
It means zip up your top.
She is very busy.
And I thought it was unrealistic when...
Unrealistic. Unrealistic.
And I thought it was unrealistic when... We spun him around 3 times.
Well, someone's been to a flea market.
Flee. Flee.
Well, someone's been to a flea market. Do you have any chamomile tea?
No, because I'm not a divorced woman on a balcony in the fall.
Balcony. Balcony.
And on a balcony in the fall. Through graduate school or something?
No, I like getting paid for sex. I mean, what's a handy every now and then if it pays the more?
Handy. Handy.
I mean, what's a handy every now and then if it pays the more?
Will you take 800? Max, what? I was unconscious when I lost mine. I don't want...
Unconscious. Unconscious.
I was unconscious when I lost mine. I don't want...
Well, I gotta go. I got this.
But that's a lot of material. You don't want to stay and cram it?
Cram. Cram.
You don't want to stay and cram it?
And she is a classical pianist.
Pianist. Pianist.
And she is a classical pianist.
Oh, look, the appetizers Mrs. Lee is paying for are here.
Now, before we start on the appetizers,
Appetizer. Appetizer.
Now, before we start on the appetizers, June, please pray.
I don't know any prayers.
No, I'll do it, Mother, but first, please, can I get a Moscow mule?
Mule. Mule.
First, please, can I get a Moscow mule?
Oh, okay. I don't know that one.
Hey, I am starving.
Starve. Starve.
Hey, I am starving.
That's quality.
Such a good appetite. You ate the whole thing.
Appetite. Appetite.
Such a good appetite. You ate the whole thing.
You can't afford to blow it. You can't even afford to kiss it.
I'm getting tense all over again. Help!
Tense. Tense.
Getting tense all over again. Help! When June cannot play the piano, Mother will discover my lie. It will be a big, big disappointment.
Disappointment. Disappointment.
It will be a big, big disappointment.
Son, are you disappointed in me?
Mother, are you disappointed in me?
disappoint, disappoint,
Mother, are you disappointed in me?
And another problem solved by weed. Hey, Han's mom, it's puff, puff, pass.
puff, puff,
Hey, Han's mom, it's puff, puff,